May K ka ba, kabataang Pinoy? Naman! Now, let's try your K as in knowledge at this moment. Let's start now this exercise. Okay, I want you to listen carefully to this direction. Choose the correct letter of the following. Number 1. What is the formula in writing a sentence? A. Independent plus dependent clause. B. Group of words without using subject and verb. C. Subject plus verb. Okay, let us check your answer. So for those who choose letter C, you got the correct answer! Congratulations! And for those who did not, better luck next time. Better luck for the next item. Next item, number 2. What is the formula in writing a clause? A. Independent plus dependent clause. B. Group of words without using subject and verb. C. Subject plus verb. Let us check number 2. The correct answer in finding the formula in writing a clause is letter A, independent plus dependent clause. For those who got the correct answer, congratulations! Next item, number 3. What is the formula in finding a phrase? Again, what is the formula of a phrase? Letter A. Group of words without using subject and verb. Letter B. Subject plus verb. Letter C. Independent plus dependent clause. What do you think the correct answer? The correct answer in item number 3 in identifying a phrase is letter A, group of words without using subject and verb. Congratulations for those who got the correct answer. Next item, number 4. The product of 6 and 1, comma, divided by the difference of 7 and 1. Letter A, clause. Letter B, phrase. Letter C, sentence. Again, I want you to identify if it is a clause, phrase, or sentence. I will repeat. The product of 6 and 1, comma, divided by the difference of 7 and 1. A. Clause. B. Phrase. C. Sentence. What do you think the correct answer? Okay, the correct answer is letter A, clause. So it is a clause. Why? Because the independent and dependent clause is combined together to become a complete sentence. So let us identify where is the dependent clause. So the product of 6 and 1 is the dependent clause. And we have the independent clause, which is divided by the difference of 7 and 1. I hope it's clear. So it is considered now as a clause. Again, dependent plus independent clause equals complete sentence. So the correct answer is A, clause. Congratulations to those who got the correct answer. Okay, last number. Number 5. Identify the example of a phrase. Letter A. The total of adding 8 and 9. Letter B. I write well in my notebook. Again, number 5. Identify the example of phrase. Letter A. the total of adding 8 and 9? Letter B, I write well in my notebook. What do you think the correct answer? Okay, the correct answer in number 5 in identifying what is a phrase. So we have letter A, the total of adding 8 and 9. Again, the correct answer is letter A, the total of adding 8 and 9. So to those who got the correct answer, congratulations. To add more clarification in your K as in knowledge, listen carefully in these following reminders. Again, this is very important. I want you to listen carefully in these following reminders. That a phrase does not have a subject and a verb because it is only a small group of words inserted in a clause or in a sentence. Again, a phrase does not have a subject and a verb because it is only a small group of words inserted in a clause or in a sentence. And a sentence is called also an independent clause. Again, a sentence is called an independent clause because an independent clause and a sentence have a subject and a verb, and both of them expresses complete thought. Another one, a clause has two types of, again, a clause has two types. And we have two types of clause. We have dependent and independent clause. Again, we have two types of clause. We have the first one, dependent or dependent clause, and the second one is independent clause. A dependent clause, it has a subject and a verb, but it does not expresses a complete thought. Again, a dependent clause does not expresses a complete thought. And it cannot stand alone because the idea is hanging. Okay? And always remember that a dependent clause depends in independent clause to become a complete sentence.